Hi guys, good morning. This is Boy Chinito, ang online tutorial nyo. So for this video, I'm going to discuss with you kung paano natin i-claim yung reward natin sa na-invite natin na World App gamit ang bank account na um, GoTime Bank. So first, go to the uh, withdraw, click dito, i-click natin dito. And next, punta tayo sa withdraw. Yan, click natin. So, click natin World Coin. And after that, fiat account. Select your fiat account. Then, click Max. Then, bank transfer. And then, select transfer. So, i-click natin ng Max, guys. So, para maano natin yung amount. Then, continue. And wait. Yeah. Processing na, guys. Then, fill up the email address, guys, yung active. Kasi dito i-send yung mga OTP. And then, continue. After that, you need to wait. Kasi medyo pinaprocess pa yung ano nyo. Yan. Wait na magsasend yun ng OTP sa email nyo, guys. Then, i-copy nyo lang and i-fill up nyo doon sa this is the OTP. Then, i-copy nyo, guys, doon sa verification code. Yan, dito. I-fill up nyo dito, guys. Fill out. Then, add bank account. So, continue lang, guys. Then, select, guys, kung anong prepared na bank account nyo. So, ang sa akin is GoTime Bank ang prepared ko. So, I choose GoTime Bank. Depende yan sa iyo, guys, kung ano yung available na bank account nyo nandyan sa inyo. So, kahit anong bank account na nandito nakalist, guys. Yan. Select GoTime Bank. Then, syempre, i-fill out nyo yung account number nyo, guys. Then, dito, kinakopy ko lang dito yung account number ko kasi nakalimutan ko. Yan, copy account number. Then, paste sa account number or enter account number. Ipipaste lang nyo dito. Yan, then add bank account. Yan, PH GoTimes. Then select, guys. Dapat naka-highlight siya, naka-blue. Click continue. Kasi di-delete ko yung Gcash account, guys, kasi hindi yan sa akin. So, yan, confirm order. Click confirm, guys. Then i-allow nyo yung transaction. Yan, guys, you sell 10.68 and you get 546.8 pesos. Click lang, guys. Wait for the confirmation. Then yan, withdraw. Done, processing. Yan, i-refresh nyo, guys. So, 0 meaning. So, na-process na, guys, ang inyong order. So, within 1 hour or within a day, so, mapupunta yun sa, nyo, guys, sa bank account. Yan. Itong mga email na, guys, confirmation na po-forward na yung, nyo, transaction, yung pera na napunta na sa account. Then i-check natin guys. So yan, pumasok na siya. Check natin yung history. Yan, transferred 548.68 kasi may charge siya guys from transfee. Yes, and then from Thank you for watching guys. God bless.